Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Expedition Limited Max. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, you do get a tow hitch underneath as well, with the backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well, some nice chrome accents along this vehicle with running boards on either side. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and move to the front here, we do get a lovely remote start. We do get the nice Expedition logo on the headlights with front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of more storage space since it is the Max Edition. Can collapse your last row and middle row. Tons of storage outlets, all that jazz on either side. Those little buttons right there are just the headrest, so you can fold your last headrest down. Hooks and doodads, all that jazz. I'm going to swing that back up so you can see that it will fold back up with tons of storage underneath. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will go down automatically for you. And taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 8 pretty comfortably. We have this nice burgundy leathering, plenty of leg room in the middle row here to get to the back. Lift this up and you can slide your seat back and forth. Still plenty of room for the back, 3 passengers as well, which is pretty handy. Plenty of door space in the back as well with the leathering on the door. Floor mats, carpet interior. We got our own climate controls back here with 2 USB-Cs, 110 volt heated middle seats, storage, and plenty of room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Got that upgraded B&O Sound System, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. There's that headrest again, liftgate, lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 111,161 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control, lane centering. And looking at our main screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Vehicle Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, and other settings. To my right, we got this lovely wood paneling that you can see throughout this vehicle. But we do get wireless charging, some outlets, your cup holders, gear select, speeds, 4-wheel drive, drive modes, hill, and park sensing. The nice leathering on the center console with tons of storage underneath. Nice little coin slot here with your engine starts up, leathering on the dash as well, which adds a nice clean look to it. And looking here, we'd have our climate controls with dual climate up front, heated front seats, cooling front seats, and heated steering wheel. 12 volt, you got storage above, below, on the dash, and above me we do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, nice big infotainment system here with your auto stop, auto start, hazards, and traction. We got your media here, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, your navigation, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, heated steering wheel, fave apps such as messaging, email, driving assist, power liftgate. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8277, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.